Hello everyone, welcome back to the channel. Today in this video I'll show you guys how can you do a price adjustment on Temu. So follow up with me and let's jump right into it. So first let's go ahead and open your Play Store or App Store and search for the Temu app to make sure we have the Temu app updated for the latest or to the latest version for everything to run smoothly. After that, let's quit the store and now of course open Temu. Make sure you are logged in and then you tap on that little icon button or that person icon in the bottom part of the screen. It's gonna take you to this page. So we're gonna find our orders and then we select the delivered ones, select an order there, and then you go ahead and do a price adjustment. So first go to your orders and then you choose specifically the delivered ones, but make sure the delivered order that we're going to select won't be very old, because very old ones cannot have price adjustment done on them. So just select the order and then select price adjustment. If you follow these steps and cannot find a price adjustment button, I'll show you why. You go to your browser basically and simply search for Temu price adjustment and then open the first result. It should be by Temu itself. It's going to show you how you do a price adjustment. It's following the same steps that I have shown you, but once you tap on click here to see the details, you will see why some of your orders might not be or might not have a price adjustment possible to apply on them. As you can see guys, you can read through these rules and you can find out for yourself, because not every person or not every order can have price adjustment applied on it. So if you find out that your orders are applied or are eligible for this, you can always go to the support team and tell them that something is wrong and you should get a price adjustment on your orders. So basically that's how can you do it guys. I hope this video was helpful. If it was, please like and comment down below. Don't forget to subscribe for future videos like this one, and thank you so much for watching.